Okay, so here's my RAMs board and Arduino Mega. Okay, so I go ahead and I connect my board, and I go ahead and connect. Attempting to connect to the printer, connection is opened. And if I try to update firmware, the settings do not populate. You can give it a few seconds. I've let it set for a while before and it never populates. Okay, let's go ahead and X that off. And I'll disconnect. I'll connect my USB. Separate the two boards. Replug in the driver, or the Arduino. Connect. Connection is opened. Printer firmware EEPROM settings. And it populates.